business owners and working professionals are acutely stressed and anxious because they want to scale up their business or grow in their career, but are stuck at the same level and sometimes find themselves stagnated. If you are someone who is also sailing in the same boat, then this video is for you. In challenging times, we try several things like showing our horoscope, changing various strategies, switching jobs, changing businesses even, but still find that we're not able to spot that missing link. But relax. I bring for you a secret solution that will help you in all areas of your life. Hi, my name is Achlaabharaddwaj, mindset coach and neuro-linguistic programming trainer certified by the American Board of NLP. I feel pity when I see people struggling and they don't know a way out. In fact, even I was one of them 8 years back, wherein I left my high-paying corporate job after working for over 19 years because I could not cope up with the politics, with the daily stress, with that feeling of being ridiculed every now and then. And that is when I determined I will not continue with these challenges. And during this time, I was introduced to this study called neuro-linguistic programming. And within a span of about 4 to 6 months, when I changed my life in terms of health, relations, money, happiness, peace, stress-free life, I am now on a mission LITRA 2025, which is life transformation of 20 million people by the year 2025. After my continuous research for over 8 years and working with over 12,000 people and helping them achieve breakthroughs in personal and professional lives, I can easily say that the biggest reason people are struggling today in any domain of life is because they're unaware of the language that their brain understands. And that is why, even though we want to be happy, but what we get is irritation and frustration. We want abundant wealth, but our pockets are empty by the last week of the month. So now I bring for you a 2-hour workshop to reset your mindset, where you learn how your mind works and what is that language that it understands, so that it can start to give you what you actually want. My friend, you and only you can change your life. And if you're really committed to bring transformation in your life, then allow me to be your coach to help you in this journey of transformation. Click the link below and join me in the upcoming webinar. I'll see you there. This is your friend and coach Achlaabharaddwaj with you and for you.